Big development tonight in the fight for health care benefits for first responders. Retirees filing a class action lawsuit against the Ohio Police and Fire Pension Fund today, along with a request for a temporary restraining order. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Colleen Marshall.
I'm Mike Jackson. The retired police and firefighters, with many preparing to lose their health insurance coverage in January, are asking a judge to put a hold on the changes in the health care plan.
NBC4's Ted Hart has that story tonight. He's joining us live from the county courthouse.
Colleen, the attorneys who filed this case say this is about doing what's fair, and they believe that these changes and the way they're being forced upon first responder retirees has not been fair.
People that have worked 30 years and retired thinking now they can live a little more comfortably, and all of a sudden they can't.
Attorneys A.C. Stripp and Nelson Genshaft are taking up the cause of Ohio's first responder retirees with a class action lawsuit. The retirees are being forced out of their existing group health insurance plans through the Ohio Police and Fire Pension Fund. They were offered instead a stipend to help pay for an individual insurance plan. But retirees say they ended up with fewer choices among doctors and hospitals and higher deductibles and other costs. 2 of the 5 plaintiffs named in the class action suit say they may be forced to go back to work.
People who thought they were retired now are having to unretire because of what's occurring here on very short notice.
The pension fund said the old group plan was unsustainable, and the change will extend the solvency of the health benefit from only 7 or 8 more years to at least 15 years. Everyone understands the problem.
We're not asking the pension fund from not doing what it set out to do. We're asking for more time.
They're asking the court to put a hold on the change for at least 6 months. After all, they say, for decades, the retirees were promised health care coverage.
Some people might not have retired at a certain age if they knew this was coming. So you get a situation where you rely on a promise. So you get an element of fairness. Has this been fair the way it's been done? We think not.
And a spokesman for the pension fund said that they're reviewing the lawsuit and will respond in the proper forum. That presumably will be at a court hearing on the request for a temporary restraining order. No date or time has been set yet for that hearing. Local for you and live downtown at the courthouse, Ted Hart, NBC4.
Thank you, Ted. For weeks, retired police and firefighters have been reaching out to us with their stories of health challenges and financial strain, all because of the pending changes.
At our Firefighters for Kids toy drive, I spoke with nearly a dozen retirees about how difficult it is. It was even difficult to get a telephone conversation with anyone from the provider company, Aon, about available coverage.
We also spoke with Fire Chief Kevin O'Connor and FOP President Jason Pappas about the requirement to spend the stipend on health plans they deemed overpriced and limited in scope, with Nationwide Children's Hospital and OSU hospitals out of network.
But the chairman of the Ohio Police and Fire Pension Fund told us the health care fund was underfunded and headed toward depletion. He said the pension fund has no legal obligation to provide health coverage for its retirees.
We will continue to follow the story as it develops, and be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter as we hear from more victims and search for a solution.